I've got a bit of a tricky cut here, but well, it looks harder than what it is because these are brackets for the pre-hung vanity, so they'll be covered by the vanity, but we still need to make them fairly good. I've got that tile in there to go off to get all my measurements off that, so everything is off the right hand side. So we'll go center, center, there, that's about the height. Is that the same? Oh yeah, pretty close. Cool. Okay. This is the all-important one because I don't know what the coverage is going to be. So that's to the right-hand side. Off the bottom is just as I pulled it away, I saw 2 marks, so I double checked it. Right, so off the bottom with that one. Oh, I'll tell you something, the other day when I was in my van, I was in a car park and a pole jumped out in front of me, a concrete post or concrete pole jumped out in front of me. Anyway, it stuffed all the radiator and everything, you know, all the front a bit. I wasn't going fast, but everything's plastic these days, so it stuffed all the grille and the front and the bonnet and all that. It was crapolo. It's a Mercedes van. Anyway, I had to call in the tow truck because water was gushing out everywhere out of the radiator, so it was stuffed. And then I got rung up by the insurance company yesterday and it's actually a write-off. So I've been hiring one. Makes you laugh, really. You know, far out. Not that much damage, but they write it off. Anyway, I paid $9 for it 3 years ago. Which was, you know, the car sales bloke had 10 on it, and I said to him, oh, what about 9 cash? And he said, yeah. So I drove it away 3 years ago for 9 cash, and it got valued because I've written it off, and the valuation came in at 11. So that's cool. Oh, happy days. So anyway, I've bought another van for 7, so 7 grand. So I'm a couple of grand in front, which is because I thought I'd get it, you know, I thought I'd only come out with like 1,000, with it being written off and everything, but it's come out all right. Right, this one, I'm still hiring a van for the rest of this week. I paid a deposit and I pick it up on Saturday. It's nothing flash. I don't have to drive around in the flashiest vehicle in town. No, it's not me. I'm able to throw my tools in. The amount of dust you get from tiling if your van's parked and dust seems to blow in there if you've got the doors open and you know, just off your clothes and that sort of thing, dust builds up. So it doesn't have to be the latest van. I don't have to look good. I'm a humble bloke. I don't have to look good to feel good. Life's good. But one of these days I've always been super keen on a Shelby Mustang. I'd love to get myself a Shelby Mustang. That's my lifelong goal, people. Right, so I need to be around there, like that. I'll just turn off for a sec. I'll go out to my cutting bay. Let's get started. It's fairly new, this, and it's oh shit, that's hot. It's a bit of a grunter. Okay, let's put on a smaller one. Disconnect the power, Chriso. Set a good example. It's hot. Bastard! Look at that! That'll cover with the vanity. Woo! Lucky. hope, anyway. I hope that covers. I'll have a look. I'll measure first. Rightio. Plugging it in might help. I'll use the same size for up here. It actually spins a little bit too fast, a grinder, but it's alright. Let's see if it fits.